If you're in the process of building a powerful PC for creative projects or professional work, this motherboard is something you definitely shouldn't overlook. Today we're taking a close look at a board that has surprised many, especially when it comes to features and price. Stick around until the end because this might be exactly what your next build is missing. Imagine getting a motherboard that's designed specifically for content creators, without flashy RGB, but packed with power and practical features. That's exactly what ASUS offers with the ProArt board. It looks clean and professional, but under the hood, there's a lot going on. Let's start with connectivity. You're getting not only a ton of USB ports, but also a USB-C port with DisplayPort support. That means you can connect a monitor directly via USB-C, perfect for a clean desk setup. For creative work, video editing, or CAD, you need fast storage, and this board delivers. It features 3 M.2 slots, 2 of which support PCIe 4.0. That ensures fast load times and smooth performance. Traditional hard drives are no problem either, thanks to 4 SATA ports. Another thing we liked, you get 2 LAN ports, one 2.5 gigabits per second and one 1 gigabit per second. That's great if you switch between different networks or need high data transfer rates. Now for power delivery, the board uses a solid 12+1 phase VRM design. That might sound technical, but in short, it means your CPU gets stable power, which is especially important under heavy workloads. And even though the B660 chipset doesn't allow CPU overclocking, the BIOS still gives you tons of fine-tuning options. A real plus for enthusiasts. Another highlight is the ASUS Creator software. For example, you can disable specific USB ports, handy if you want to secure your workspace or studio. And one more thing, ASUS includes many thoughtful quality of life features, like the Q latch for M.2 drives and a pre-installed I/O shield. These save time during assembly and show real attention to detail. At price-wise, this motherboard sits in the mid-range. It's not a bargain, but very fair for what you get, and compared to many more expensive creator boards, it performs surprisingly well. If you're looking for a reliable, professionally oriented motherboard without unnecessary extras, but with everything you actually need, this board is definitely worth checking out. Be sure to look at the product links in the video description for current deals and more details. So what are the main pros and cons of this motherboard? Pros: tons of connectivity options, especially USB and LAN. USB-C with DisplayPort, great for modern monitors. 3 M.2 slots, 2 with PCIe 4.0, fast and future-proof, strong power delivery for stable performance, handy software and smart creator-focused features, minimalist, professional design. Cons: no built-in Thunderbolt 4, only via add-on card, no CPU overclocking due to B660 chipset limitations, 1 M.2 slot shares bandwidth, requires planning, audio chip is decent but nothing special, months. If you've made it this far, you already know, this isn't just another motherboard, it's a real tool for anyone who wants to get serious, productive work done on their PC. Sure, it has a few small weaknesses, but the strengths clearly outweigh them. If you want to learn more or are ready to pick one up, check out the links in the description. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, let us know in the comments what you think of this board, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time!